How to give a handshake. Mannerism is must for everyone. When this is taken into consideration, handshake is placed first. You could easily impress one with your firm handshake and a pleasant smile. Hope everyone know to do it properly. But, for the one who don't, follow these 3 steps to overcome this issue. Step 1. Make sure that your hand is clean. By saying it, I mean, your hand must be free from wetness and any odor. Try to keep it dry and clean, always. Step 2. For a good handshake, hold their hand firmly, so that the web between your thumb and index finger should join with the web of the other person's hand. Then look at their eyes, and make a confident smile. Do all these things simultaneously. A tip. Make sure to shake plenty of hands while you are at any social gatherings. Step 3. Things to avoid. While you hold his or her hand, try not more than just 2 or 3 shakes. Don't lose your grip. As you know, that first impression is the best impression. If your handshake is too loose, it's natural for people to lose confidence on you. If this is the case, then you are going to lose many opportunities. Don't keep your other hand inside your pocket while you give a handshake for a person who is elder or at a higher position at your work than you. And last and final step, like and subscribe. I'm here to help you. Love you all.